The big news at this hour: Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav has sacked his uncle Shivpal Yadav from the state cabinet. 3 other ministers have been sacked as well. The decision was taken in a meeting of the party MLAs with Akhilesh Yadav. And the latest coming in is that Shivpal Yadav is currently in a meeting with party chief Mulayam Singh Yadav. This even as his supporters have gathered outside his house on Kalidas Marg itself and have started sloganeering. Battle lines clearly drawn here between uncle and nephew. Shivpal Yadav sacked by his nephew Akhilesh Yadav, who has apparently made it clear in the meeting to the MLAs that he is not going to work with anybody considered close to Amar Singh. He's made his displeasure at Amar Singh's reinduction as well as the rising influence that he has over Mulayam Singh Yadav and the party decisions. He's already passed on this message to his father Mulayam Singh Yadav that he does not agree with some of his decisions and that in the capacity of the chief minister he has now sacked शिवपाल यादव।
मुख्यमंत्री ने कहा कि नेताजी बहुत बड़े नेता हैं और नेताजी ने पार्टी बनाई, नेताजी ने मुझे मुख्यमंत्री बनाया और मेरा दायित्व बनता है कि मैं 2017 में पुनः सरकार बना के ये पेशकश करूंगा कि नेताजी आप मुख्यमंत्री बन जाएं, चाहे भले ही नेताजी दोबारा मुझे बना दें, लेकिन एक बार में ये दिखाना चाहता हूं कि सरकार बना के नेताजी को दूंगा। और जो लोग मेरे घर को तोड़ना चाहते हैं, खुलेआम नाम लिया अमर सिंह का, उन्होंने कहा कि जो लोग अमर सिंह के साथ देंगे मेरे कैबिनेट में वो रह नहीं सकते।
Executive Editor Javed Ansari is now joining us with a perspective on this big story developing in Lucknow. Javed, what is Akhilesh's game plan really? Because he knows only too well that his father will not take any decision to oust Shivpal from the cabinet lying low.
Maha, let's not make no mistake. Samajwadi Party is on the verge of a split. Unless Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav and Akhilesh Yadav can resolve their differences, turn things around at this last stage, a split, I'm afraid, appears inevitable. There are several differences. One, primarily over Amar Singh and the kind of influence that he is alleged to be exercising over Mulayam Singh Yadav. Then is the question of Shivpal Yadav, whether Akhilesh as Chief Minister has the right or not to distribute tickets. Akhilesh Yadav feels that his ministers, his MLAs, his loyalists in the party are being systematically sidelined. He is being undermined. So therefore, there are several issues. And ranged on Mulayam Singh's side is Shivpal Yadav, on Akhilesh Yadav's side is Ram Gopal Yadav. This is a family war.
Yes.
This is also a battle for who will inherit Mulayam Singh.
But Javed, in this family war, we are seeing the role of an outsider, as Akhilesh has put it himself, very, very prominent, Amar Singh.
Yes, at the heart of the problem is the differences over Amar Singh and his alleged role in the party. It is no secret that Chief Minister as well as Ram Gopal Yadav and a lot of other MLAs and MPs did not take very kindly to the fact that Mulayam Singh Yadav overrode their sentiments, their wishes, and reinstated Amar Singh and made him not just an MP in the Rajya Sabha, but they've also made him a General Secretary of the party at the national level. They believe that he is not the kind, he should not be given this kind of prominence. In fact, he should not have been taken back into the party. This is where it all started from, and then one thing after the other, it has led to things, and now events have come to such a pass that the Samajwadi Party is teetering on the verge of a split.
Javed, do stay on with us. Kumar Abhishek is now joining us with the very latest from outside 5 Kalidas Marg. Abhishek, इस वक्त जो मीटिंग खत्म हुई है, उससे आपको किस तरह के रिएक्शंस मिल रहे हैं?
महा, जिस तरीके से मीटिंग खत्म होने के बाद उनके विधायक और उनके मंत्री निकले हैं, बिल्कुल एक तरीके से साफ है कि पार्टी ऑलमोस्ट अब टूट की कगार पर है, या कह सकते हैं कि अखिलेश यादव ने अपनी लाइन बिल्कुल साफ कर दी है, अपनी लाइन उन्होंने ले ली है। और उसके बाद जो पार्टी के बाहर जो अखिलेश के घर के बाहर जो मूड है वो एक तरीके से जुबिलेंट है। जो लोग हैं वो यहाँ तक कह रहे हैं कि अगर उन्हें मुलायम सिंह यादव और अगर अखिलेश यादव में चुनना पड़ा तो वो लोग चुनेंगे अखिलेश यादव को। कई लोग हैं यहाँ पर, मैं उनसे बात करके बताता हूँ। ये बताइए कि अखिलेश यादव ने एक तरीके से अपनी लाइन ले ली है, आप लोग किधर जाएंगे? आप लोग समर्थक हैं?
हम अखिलेश यादव जी के साथ जाएंगे। पिछले 4.5 साल में उन्होंने पार्टी को जो छवि दी है, गुंडों को पार्टी से अलग रखा है। जो लोग गुंडों को पार्टी में लाना चाहते हैं, पार्टी की छवि खराब करना चाहते हैं, हम अखिलेश यादव जी की ईमानदारी और
ये बताइए कि अब लड़ाई बिल्कुल साफ है। शिवपाल जी को मंत्रिमंडल से भी हटा दिया गया है। आप लोग किसके साथ हैं? अगर मुलायम सिंह यादव शिवपाल जी के साथ जाते हैं तो किसके साथ जाएंगे?
हम अखिलेश जी के साथ हैं। खुल के देखिए, मुझे ये कहना है कि लड़ाई अच्छाई और बुराई की है। बुरे लोगों को एक तरफ होना है, अच्छे लोगों को बहुत आगे बढ़ना, और अच्छे लोगों में पूरे हिंदुस्तान के अंदर अखिलेश से अच्छा कोई है नहीं।
जो किया है अच्छा किया है।
अखिलेश ने अच्छा किया है। नेताजी की जान में, अखिलेश जी मैदान में।
Abhishek Kumar, I'll hold you there for a bit. Stay on with us, but we have with us Rita Bhogna Joshi of the BJP. Rita ji, how do you view this family feud, which was out in the open some time back, but now Samajwadi Party seems to be on the brink of a split just ahead of the elections?
Well, you see, they lost the elections even before this tussle began, because the misgovernance during the rule had really disheartened the people, and the people were annoyed. So I don't think this fight is for winning the elections. This struggle within the family and the party is for hold over the party. Who is going to dominate the ticket distribution? Who will be holding the party positions? And who will take over after Shri Mulayam Singh Yadav? Because, hello?
Yes, we can hear you, Rita ji, go on.
Because
Yes.
Yadav has become weak, and people feel, their party feels, then in the next 5 years there'll be a transition in power.
Rita ji, do you also believe, like some people in your party, that this attempt by Akhilesh is to make an image for himself, that he's clean and he will tolerate no corruption? Is it too late in the day for him to build that image?
Yeah, if he had taken the decision, say 2 years back or 3 years back, and would have asserted himself, then there would have been results. But right now, people want good governance, and the Bharatiya Janata Party is doing extremely well. And Modi ji's image and the BJP's efforts are certainly pushing them towards a full majority. And with these events, we are certainly going to get a complete majority, full majority in the
So you
House.
feel the Samajwadi Party breaking up will be advantageous to the BJP a few months ahead of the elections?
No, BJP was already going to do very well. I think this will add on to their success. And the fight was quite perceivable, because this explosion was expected. 22 people from one family vying with each other for state power, political power, and then 2 brothers and their families. And see, there was such a lot of internal struggle. And Shipalji has been urging for a long time. We all know, we are all MLAs. We have been seeing how openly he has been criticizing the CM.
Okay. Rita ji, many thanks for joining us with your perspective on that family feud that is now out in the open. In fact, has led to a point where it almost appears that the Samajwadi Party is on the brink of a split there, with Akhilesh Yadav announcing the sacking of his uncle Shivpal Yadav from the cabinet. Kumar Abhishek is still with us. He's outside 5 कालिदास मार्ग। अभिषेक, ये बताइए कि जो ये मीटिंग थी अखिलेश यादव की एमएलएस के साथ, वो कितनी लंबी चली, और अंदर से कुछ खबर मिल रही है कि अखिलेश ने क्या वो बातें कही एमएलएस को अमर सिंह के बारे में, जो कि जिसकी वजह से अब बिल्कुल टूट की कगार पर है पार्टी?
देखिए वहाँ ये मीटिंग बहुत ज़्यादा देर नहीं चली, तकरीबन 40 से 45 मिनट की मीटिंग थी। ज़्यादा वक्त तक अखिलेश यादव खुद ही बोलते रहे, और उन्होंने अब पूरी मीटिंग में नेताजी के समर्थन में बातें रखी। यहाँ तक कहा कि अगर नेताजी मुलायम सिंह यादव को वो जीत उनको अर्पित करना चाहते हैं, और अगर एक बार वो पार्टी जीतती है तो वो जिसे चाहे मुख्यमंत्री बना दें, वो खुद चाहे तो मुख्यमंत्री बन जाएं और वो मुझे चाहे तो बनाए। लेकिन उन्होंने साफ ये भी कह दिया आज कि अमर सिंह, जो कि जिसका नाम लेने से वो अब तक बचते रहे हैं, उन्होंने कहा कि अमर सिंह के जो भी सपोर्टर लोग हैं उन्हें पार्टी से बाहर किया जाएगा, और बाकायदा इस पर जो विधायक दल की है उस पर मुहर लगवाई। और जैसे ही ये मीटिंग खत्म हुई है उसके बाद ये लेटर राज्यपाल को भेज दिया गया, जिन तमाम 4 लोगों को निकाला गया। तो एक तरीके से ये मीटिंग भी इसलिए बुलाई गई ताकि जो शिवपाल यादव और उनके समर्थक लोग हैं, जो मंत्री हैं, उनके निकालने की कार्रवाई को भी एक तरीके से उस पर मुहर लगाई जा सके। तो जो तमाम जिन पर कार्रवाई की गई है उन पर भी मुहर इन पूरे विधायक मंडल दल की बैठक में एक तरीके से लगी है, जो मुख्यमंत्री ने खुद ली है। तो जो पॉपुलर भीतर का सेंटिमेंट था वो ये था कि अखिलेश यादव आगे बढ़े और उनके साथ लोग हैं। लेकिन एक बात और है कि कल मुलायम सिंह के घर पर मीटिंग बुलाई गई है तमाम विधायक पदाधिकारियों को, उसमें भी ढेर सारे लोग जाएंगे और यही लोग दिखेंगे जो यहाँ दिखाई दिए हैं।
अभिषेक, आपसे जानना चाहते हैं, आप थोड़ी देर पहले समर्थकों से बात कर रहे थे जो 5 KD पे इस वक्त मौजूद हैं, वो तो अखिलेश के साथ हैं, लेकिन शिवपाल यादव की अपनी साख है उत्तर प्रदेश में। तो क्या आपको लगता है कि अखिलेश यादव अपनी एक बढ़ोतरी बना चुके हैं अपनी पार्टी काडर में, जो कि वो इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं एक नई पार्टी फ्लोट करने में?
देखिए महा, कहा यह जाता रहा है कि अब तक संगठन पर शिवपाल यादव का कब्जा रहा है या उनकी पकड़ रही है और अखिलेश यादव सरकार चलाते रहे हैं। लेकिन आज के इस मीटिंग के बाद ये लगभग एक फैसला हो जाएगा कि आने वाले समय में जो संगठन है, जो कार्यकर्ता है, वो किसके साथ रहेंगे। और यही वजह है कि 5 तारीख के पहले जो 3 तारीख से यात्रा निकाली गई है उसमें तमाम जो जिला के इनकी कमेटी के लोग हैं, जिला अध्यक्ष हैं, इन तमाम लोगों को कहा गया है रहने के लिए। लेकिन जो हमारी जानकारी, जो मुझे लगता है वो ये लगता है कि जो पॉपुलर मैंडेट है, जो आम लोगों की जनभावना है पार्टी के भीतर भी, वो फिलहाल अखिलेश यादव के साथ है। हालांकि संगठन पर पकड़ जरूर शिवपाल यादव का रहा, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है।
अभिषेक, कुछ समर्थकों से हमें बात करके बताएं कि अमर सिंह के लिए अखिलेश ने और क्या बोला इस मीटिंग के दौरान।
देखिए, हम कानपुर के विधायक हैं इस वक्त समाजवादी पार्टी के इरफान सोलंकी साहब, ये बताइए कि मीटिंग में क्या हुआ और मीटिंग में अखिलेश जी ने क्या कहा है और पॉपुलर जो मैंडेट है, जो आम जनभावना थी पार्टी की मीटिंग के भीतर, वो किसके साथ थी?
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपके द्वारा जनता को बताना चाहता हूं कि माननीय मुख्यमंत्री ने साफ एक बात कही कि एक पिता एक अपने बेटे को, आपके भी पिता भी, मेरे भी, सबके पिता है, अगर अपने बेटे को कुछ कहा तो उसमें किसी थर्ड आदमी को नहीं बोलना चाहिए। और वो आदमी अमर सिंह थे। अमर सिंह जी ने आग में घी का काम करा। हो सकता है किसी चक्कर में माननीय मुलायम सिंह यादव जी अखिलेश जी से हो सकता है खफा हो गए, नाराजगी नहीं, खफा हो सकते हैं। और उसमें अगर इन्होंने ये काम करा, ये काम गलत करा, उसके बाद आज उनको निकाल दिया गया है पार्टी से। मतलब उन्होंने कह दिया मैं साल निकाल दूंगा। और ऐसे आदमी जी
वापस स्टूडियो चलते हैं। वहाँ यहाँ पर गतिविधियां काफी बढ़ गई हैं और लगातार कार्यकर्ताओं का जुटना जारी है।
Absolutely. Kumar Abhishek, stay on with us. We'll be taking a very quick break at this point, but let's tell you that Akhilesh Yadav has sacked his uncle Shivpal Yadav from the cabinet along with 3 other ministers. A meeting meanwhile is going on at Mulayam Singh Yadav's residence as well, where Shivpal Yadav is present. Akhilesh clearly taking on anybody perceived close to Amar Singh, mincing no words in saying that this particular outsider is interfering both with the party and the family. All right, let's quickly take you through what exactly is happening at the moment. Rapid developments happening at 5 Kalidas Marg. You can see visuals on the left-hand side of your television screens from outside 5 KD Marg, which is the official residence of Akhilesh Yadav. That's where this meeting that went on for about 40 to 45 minutes with his MLAs took place, where Akhilesh is believed to have told the MLAs that he is not going to work with anybody perceived close to Amar Singh, after which the announcement of the sacking of his uncle Shivpal Yadav took place. 3 other ministers sacked. Meanwhile, just let's cut across to the other side of just right behind this road is Vikramaditya Marg, where Mulayam Singh Yadav's residence is, and he is holding a meeting there with Shivpal Yadav, his brother, who of course at this moment is absolutely miffed with the developments that have taken place, being slighted in some sense by his own nephew. Just down this road, 5 Kalidas Marg, is the residence of Shivpal Yadav in Lucknow, where his supporters have gathered shouting slogans against Akhilesh Yadav. Nalin Kohli is now joining us for his perspective on this big development in Samajwadi Party. Nalin Kohli, of course, is from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Mr. Kohli, how do you view these developments in the Samajwadi Party? Is the BJP, just sitting and watching with glee because a breakup in the Samajwadi Party could mean advantage BJP in Uttar Pradesh?
No, I think that would be only applicable to a political party that does not have an agenda of governance. As far as the BJP is concerned, we have a clear agenda of governance, which is development, which is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. And that agenda of development is the motive on which we have been fighting and the objective on which we are fighting our election.
But Mr. Kohli, doesn't it just help if the party that is in power at the moment is seeing so much of upheaval?
Well, let me put it like this, that in Uttar Pradesh, the family drama and the family feud which is opening out and which is playing itself out, only confirms and reaffirms that the Samajwadi Party, which has always sought to come in the name of the votes of seeking to serve the people, has become an institution of only wanting to serve a family. And that's exactly what's happening in Uttar Pradesh. That now when after 5 years, the time has come to go before the people with a report card of what promises were made, what has been delivered, and what is that huge gap, you can see an open war within the first family of the Samajwadi Party. So if you look at Uttar Pradesh over the last 5 years, has development taken place? Are women safer? Have we not seen crime increase? Have we not seen the police force being sent out to look for buffaloes rather than criminals? And have you not seen that Uttar Pradesh has no index to boast of except corruption, bad governance? So I think in that context, now at this time it confirms that the agenda was never governance.
Mr. Kohli, do you believe that this is only a family feud, or is this perhaps an attempt by Akhilesh for image correction just ahead of the elections?
I can't speak for Akhilesh Yadav ji, whether it is an image correction, whether it is a family feud, whether it is for power. Those things are said from the Samajwadi Party. But as a BJP spokesperson, I can certainly bring it to on record that the developmental promises have not been implemented by them. And now when the time of elections and reckoning is coming, which comes every 5 years for every political party, the BJP certainly is going to go with the agenda of what Prime Minister Modi has set for the country and what Uttar Pradesh also deserves. Which is an agenda of development.
Okay, Mr. Nalin Kohli, many thanks for speaking with India Today. There you have it. The BJP saying that it's the internal feud of the party, but their own party is going to fight on other issues. Meanwhile, what we are showing you on your television screens at the moment, on the left-hand side, are live visuals coming in from 5 Kalidas Marg. That is the official residence of Akhilesh Yadav, where a meeting of the MLAs was held just a short while back, a 45-minute-long meeting where Akhilesh has decided that he will sack his uncle Shivpal Yadav from the cabinet along with 3 other ministers for allegedly being close to Amar Singh. Amar Singh, on the corner right-hand side of your television screens, yet again emerging as the bone of contention, the outsider that Akhilesh has been referring to, who's interfering with party decisions and the family.